In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to write a job application letter. This site is pngworkforce.com. It's a job listings directory. So we'll just pick a random job and write the application letter to that job. I'll go with the first one here. It's an inventory accountant. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. You can also use ChatGPT 4.0. So what I'll do is I'll just copy everything here and I'll go over to ChatGPT and just paste everything inside. So don't worry about the website details. ChatGPT will filter all of that out. Next thing you need to do is you need to upload your CV. So if you're job hunting, your CV should be up to date. I'll just upload from my computer where I've got it saved. Okay, the thing with your CV is it will have your contact details, your name and whatnot. So plus it will have your job experience, qualifications, skills, all of that. And those things are important because this is what ChatGPT will look at and it will write the letter for you. So it will pull out those details and it will match them with the job and the job requirements. So it will highlight why you are suitable for the job. We've got our details for the job that we're applying for, and we've uploaded our CV. So now we just have to go and write our cover letter. So we'll give ChatGPT a prompt that will get it to write a letter using our information from our CV. It will write a letter to this job as us applying for the job. Okay, I'm doing some cheating here. I am using Google Docs. You can type this part out, but I'm going to use some voice typing. So I'll just go to Tools and turn on the voice typing feature. So instead of typing, I'll just talk into my microphone. Okay, before we start writing, just some things to note. Inside of the prompt, we're going to include one is we're going to tell GPT what to do, and the second thing is we're going to specify the how we want the letter to be. So I'll say the length and the tone of the letter, and then finally I'll give the specific instructions of what to include in the content of the letter. So basically I'm going to include my instructions here, and the instructions will be like me talking to ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy this and paste it into the ChatGPT, that the chat window. So then ChatGPT will read the prompt and read the instructions, plus it will take all the information that it will use to write the letter, and that information includes my CV plus the job application details. GPT, write a job application letter to the job that I've posted the details here. Use the information from my CV and pull up my experience, qualifications, and skills to make a case for why I am a suitable candidate for this job. Make the letter 1 page length, make it a formal yet polite tone, and include that I will be available for an interview at any time that is convenient for them. Also mention that my CV plus my other relevant documents are included or attached to my application, and include my contact details and date the letter the 25th of November 2024. Okay, so that's our prompt. We just select everything and copy paste or cut and paste and come over to ChatGPT and just paste it in there. Everything can be included in this one dialog box, and then we run it. And that's our application letter written by ChatGPT. Let's just go through it and see if it captured what we asked it for. So these are details as highlighted by the job or the application. So here it says it's written it to the manager, human resource. So if we go back here to the right here, so applications can be emailed to, and it should be addressed to manager, human resource. So ChatGPT pulled that out from the basic cover letter, stating some of my background, the jobs that I've been doing, and then it's just highlighting some office applications, Excel, tracking and analyzing some data and records. This I think ChatGPT made up where an understanding of accounting practices. I have not done any accounting, so it's worth going through the letter and just seeing that it's so with GPT 4.0 with Canvas, you can edit it directly. I can just delete that straight out. Available for an interview that's convenient or at a time that's convenient for them, and CV and documents that are included. It's pulled my contact details as included in my CV, and it ended with a nice salutation.